In a shocking turn of events, former NFL quarterback Mark Sanchez, celebrated for his time at USC, now faces an enhanced Level 5 felony battery charge following a disturbing incident that unfolded over the weekend in Indianapolis. According to Marion County prosecutor Ryan Mears, this serious development emerged during a press briefing held on Monday. Initially, Sanchez was apprehended for battery resulting in injury, unlawful entry into a vehicle, and public intoxication after being briefly hospitalized due to stab wounds. The violent encounter reportedly involved a 69-year-old man who, during the fray, stabbed Sanchez. This crucial detail came to light through a probable cause affidavit acquired by CBS News. Mears shared his thoughts on the matter, emphasizing the unnecessary nature of the situation. What we have here is a scenario that simply shouldn't have escalated. It's alarming that individuals were embroiled in a dispute over parking, which ultimately led to serious physical injury for someone involved. The prosecutor further noted that if Sanchez is convicted, he could face a prison sentence ranging from 1 to 6 years for the Level 5 felony battery charge. In a statement provided to The Athletic by Sanchez's brother, Nick Sanchez Jr., the family expressed their gratitude for the community's support during this distressing time. This has been an incredibly difficult period for everyone involved. Mark and our family are profoundly thankful for the care, concern, and love we've received. As Mark focuses on his recovery from his severe injuries, we deeply appreciate the prompt actions of first responders and medical personnel. The conflict began between Sanchez and the senior man, identified as a truck driver. What started as a disagreement over parking rapidly escalated into violence. The man allegedly stabbed Sanchez in the upper torso around 12:30 a.m. on Saturday, in close proximity to Lockmiller's Pud Eatery in downtown Indianapolis. Sanchez was subsequently transported to Eskenazi Hospital, where he was reported to be in critical condition. Details indicate that the clash intensified near a loading dock, where the truck driver felt threatened and resorted to using pepper spray against Sanchez. Indianapolis Police Chief Chris Bailey made a strong statement regarding the incident. Regardless of who you are or what your profession is, any act of violence committed in our city will not be tolerated. We will use every resource at our disposal to ensure accountability. Looking ahead, we will maintain a robust and visible police presence downtown during high-traffic events to safeguard our community. He urged everyone to treat one another with respect, reiterating Mears' sentiment that this confrontation should never have occurred. Interestingly, Sanchez himself reported to Detective Christopher Edwards that he has no recollection of the incident while he was recovering in the hospital. Mears highlighted the importance of Indiana's self-defense laws, noting that these factors will play a significant role during the forthcoming trial. Indiana possesses some of the most comprehensive self-defense regulations in the country, which must be examined as they relate to cases like this. This aspect will undoubtedly be a central theme in the trial as we assess whether all parties were acting in a reasonable manner, he explained. The truck driver claimed he perceived Sanchez as an immediate threat, stating he thought, "This guy is trying to kill me," prompting him to draw his knife and stab Sanchez 2 or 3 times as Sanchez continued to approach him. The driver also alleged that he was subsequently tossed against a dumpster and felt his life was in jeopardy during the altercation. Remarkably, an eyewitness informed the authorities that they had observed the 2 men recording each other on their cell phones prior to the altercation. It is important to note that Sanchez was in Indianapolis to commentate on a game between the Las Vegas Raiders and the Indianapolis Colts, which took place at Lucas Oil Stadium. This incident raises many troubling questions. Was the escalation of the conflict truly unavoidable? Or are there lessons to be learned about conflict resolution? As the details of this case unfold, what do you think is the most crucial aspect that should be emphasized? Share your thoughts, agree or disagree, in the comments below.